Redefining the Revolution Max platform, RECON. New for Pan America. This riser kit adapts the iconic Kraus Isolated Riser. A solid connection while controlling vibrations transmitted to the rider. Run our Moto-style Rizoma handlebar. RECON handguard bobbins adapt OEM handguards for Moto bar use. RECON 3.5-inch riser adapter for Universal Pan America riser fitments. Look ahead. The RECON Universal Turn Signal mounts allow for upgraded lighting. RECON Foot Controls improve braking feel and shifting action. Get that perfect position by adjusting the RECON toe peg further, closer, higher, or lower. New for Pan America and Sportster S, introducing the new Kraus XO pegs. Or run Kraus Apex Edge or Max Lean Mini. For further adjustment, run the Kraus Pro Line peg adjuster. RECON RevMax alternator cover fits across RevMax models. And complete the look with the RECON RevMax engine cover. RECON. Designed, manufactured, and written in the USA.